welcome back. So today we are going to be making a heart shag jacket. This is the same sweater that is in my other video. I will have it linked somewhere up here. And I knew I most likely wasn't going to wear that again, so I thought, well, let me make a heart shag jacket, a red one, for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to be doing this. Yes, this is a sweater, but there's a way that you can like cut it to make it like an open jacket. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I went ahead and left these in and took the jean out because it's going to be like totally red. And I'm going to try to make this heart shape. So this is my first time trying this and we're going to make it work. So stay tuned for that. And if you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Cabricia Howard. If you're not new, thanks for rocking with me. Pound, you're awesome. You are great. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. All right, y'all. So the first thing I am going to do is I am going to fold this because I need to cut it to where it can at least be the heart shape that I'm wanting. So just gonna fold this in half, make sure everything is pretty much lined up flat and straight. So I'm gonna cut it diagonal because I want to get that heart shape as much as I can. I'm going to be but posting like a picture of how I'm wanting this to look like. It's something that I had saw on Pinterest and I was like, oh, that'll be a good idea to at least try to make. I saw it like maybe a year or two ago. So hopefully it turns out the way that I'm wanting it. I'm doing this in honor of Valentine's Day. This is February. So I'm trying to give you guys some ideas that you can do fashion-wise. So I'm just going off of a whim with this because, like I said, I've never done this before. A lot of times I just look at something and then figure out how to do it in my head. So, yeah. So you're just going to cut that diagonal and it will come out like this. I could have went like a little shorter, but that's okay. We're going to make this a little crop. Then the next thing we are going to do is, I think I'm going to cut down the middle. So yeah, I'm going to cut down the middle. I'm trying to check and see if I want it to be like this wide or if I want to bring it up some like this and cut from there. But I don't know. Let me figure that part out and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and cut down the middle to make our opening. And there we have it, an opening to our jacket. Let me lift y'all up some so y'all can see. So yeah, this is like an opening to our jacket. I'm probably gonna cut down the sleeves some as well. But that's the back. And this is the front. So the goal is to make this look as heart-shaped as we possibly can. So our next step is going to be getting into these sleeves. I think I'm gonna cut them a little shorter Okay, y'all, so the next step is basically lining up everything. First fold it in half, then we're going to line it up, because what I'm planning to do is to cut in the same diagonal way so that it'll line up with the jacket. So that's what we're going to do. And we're just going to cut the sleeves diagonal as well. All right, so our next step is going to be the crocheting part. So let's go ahead and get into it.